That's a joke. Hi, friends. Oh my gosh. First of all, we're just waiting for one more person, but we're gonna start.
Where you at, AJ?
Hey. First of all, I'm a little tipsy. I love you guys. Thank you guys for coming to my small little gathering. It's been 2 months in the making of this beautiful album that I've been putting together. And I just wanted to celebrate it with you guys in a safe zone and, you know, where we could just chill and just listen to this piece of art that we created together. I'm so excited. I'm super excited. We're just gonna listen to it. I'm gonna give a little explanation of each song. I'm not gonna keep it really long. I'm just gonna, you know, talk about how what each song meant to me, and we'll take a listen to some pretty music. It's beautiful love songs that I put together with some of the artists. We have JR right now, right here. We have Melissa Polinar.
Hey.
You're singing on the album too?
Yes,
Oh my
sure
goodness.
is. And I have AJ's gonna be here any second. He's running late somewhere, and we're just gonna listen to some music. I thank you guys for coming. This project, I think I explained to some of you guys, is a project that we kind of put together in 2 months because it's a project that I want to submit to the Grammys. We're submitting it to for consideration. I don't know where it will go, but we're gonna do our best. But it's a long time coming, and it's a way of me to give back to Filipino music and Filipino artists that have really shaped our music. So this album is called Harana, The Sound of Us. Harana means to serenade. It's a very old school form of music in the Philippines. Back in the day when people wanted to, you know, get a boyfriend or girlfriend or boyfriend. Okay. They would go to the suitors would go to the person's house, and they would bring flowers and chocolates and, you know, little you know, regalitos, and they would go and serenade the girl or the guy, you know, whatever you want. And they would just come into it would be very Romeo and Juliet. They would very romantic. Filipinos are very you know, hopeless romantics, very much like Latinos. We would come in there and serenade. They would get their friends, their homies to play the guitars and, like, you know, sing with them, and they would
Like a
mariachi.
Yes.
In hopes that they would get the, you know, the love of the girls. So I entitled my album this because this is kind of like my serenade to the world of how Filipino music has affected me, and I would like to share that with you guys tonight. I'm an artist. So I'm sensitive about my shit.
Are you?
So y'all better clap.
I didn't like that one.
So I'm gonna I've been working with like JR and Melissa that have been willing to get on board with something like this. There's a purpose to this. I really want to bring Filipino music to the world, and hopefully like the Grammy stuff. But even if it's not with that, just to be able to put out art in the world and to have people that are willing to be a part of something, even if it's just for the fuck of it, for the art of it. I'm very grateful. So this is something pretty, and it's also really pretty, bitch. So I'm really excited to show it to you guys. So y'all ready?
Yeah.
I'm ready.
So the first song is called American Kundiman. It's Kundiman is like basically like the mariachi version, Filipino version of the mariachi, and it's a
classic folk music.
Classic folk music, classic what you would use to serenade a Filipina if you were, you know, doing that. And I just wanted to start off with something that's very me. It's a piano piece that I kind of composed, and this is my version, my Americanized version of a Kundiman. So this is it. This is called American Kundiman. There's nothing to watch.
Cheers!
Cheers!
real track of ooh, AJ's here. AJ! Hold on.
Let's get AJ up in here.
Let's get it. He's already here, so you might as well start it.
AJ!
I'm so embarrassed.
No, no.
I'm here.
AJ, let's do it.
What's next?
Joining us, AJ.
Yeah.
So this next song is, again, the first official song is called Harana, which means serenade. I love this song. It's by Parokya ni Edgar.
Yes.
Super.
One of my faves.
In the Philippines, like very like masa song. Masa, you know, means like very the people's song. Everybody knows the song, like at the karaoke's and all that. So I wanted to do it's a really an acoustic rock song. So I wanted to do this really pretty version that's very in line with serenading, and I did it with Ice Tigera. This is my version of Harana. This is a beautiful song. It talks about, for you guys don't know, it talks about basically coming to someone's house with flowers and chocolates and wanting to get their love. And it's basically saying like, you know, it's setting up the scene for what would be their love proposal to somebody. So this is called Harana by Ice Tigera. Yes, bitch! May puta, wala. Wait lang.
Start over.
Sa cellphone.
Over.
Gusto ko pa ang harana. Marahil ikaw ay nagtataka. Sino ba itong magkungabo? Nagkandaraman sa pagkanda at nasisinto nato sa gawa.
Okay, Isa.
Meron ba lang mga rosas? Subok na may mauna kupas. Kinahin pa ang pagkataong nakapagkaba. Ibubuhos ko ang puso ko sa isang muling harana.
Trend artist, as you can see it.
Let's go, Isa.
Ice.
Parang dilim ang sa waiting ko ito. Sana'y maibigan mo. Ibubuhos ko ang buong puso ko sa isang muling harana para sa'yo.
It's like my serenade to you.
Para sa'yo.
Let's go. Ice. My favorite one.
Is by it's called Lemonade by Jeremy Passion. One of my favorite Filipino American artists. This song I discovered when I was 16, and it was cool because when I saw it on MySpace, on YouTube, we both had neon green rooms, which was a very like a coincidental kind of thing. So to be able to do, everybody knows the song, kind of like the way like everyone knows AJ and Melissa. This is like the Filipino American pioneers of our music, and Lemon, and don't motherfucking forget. Okay. And I want to do this very demure, beautiful version. Again, like the theme of this whole album is serenading somebody, and this is the iconic song that everybody knows called Lemonade. I love this song. The Genuine Passion. Technology. Here we go.
She's tall glass of lemonade. It's burning hot on summer days.
Stanky face.
She's exactly what I need. She's soothing light. The ocean rushing on the sand. She takes care of me, baby. She helps me be a better man. So beautiful. Sometimes I stop to close my eyes. She's exactly what I need.
Come on. I literally got a tear in my eye right now. This is so good.
Oh, that was
She's my smile when I'm feeling blue.
Come on.
that was fire.
Let me tell you what she means to me. She's kinda like this.
You better play. You better play.
Feeling after your first kiss. Except that every day she makes me feel like this. She's exactly what I need. Oh yeah, she's soothing light. The ocean rushing on the sand. She's
Yeah.
me, baby, and help me be a better man. So beautiful. Sometimes I stop to close my eyes. She's exactly what I need. I need.
Oh,
Yes.
oh, that's so sick.
Yeah. Wow. Wow.
Pioneer in our music, in the Filipino OPM American music scene. For this one, I gotta admit, it was very last minute. AJ connected me with Gabe Bondog, and I wanted to include him because he's, for me, one of the Avengers, like these two here of our music. And
We call them right
Inform
here.
the people what the four Avengers are.
For me, the four Avengers of Filipino American music are four people, two of them are which are present to this day. Journey Passion, Gabe Bondog, AJ Raphael, Melissa Polinar.
Amen.
The MySpace days, every fucking Filipino American that had MySpace knows these guys, and these are one of them. And
Amen.
I wanted to do I think I've always said that Filipino music is always the most beautiful at its purest form, which is just voice and piano. And this is our version, our piano and voice version of Gentleman Double.
Come on.
You run your fingers across my lips. No, I've never felt like this before. No. I know I'm young, but I know love. And I know an simple man, simple plans. Go to work, take care of my fam. I'm sure you understand. Because your head
Bondog.
is independent. Or do you think you need me? I think I need your love, baby. Can't you see that I know very well?
Tell, boo. This next song is by two of my favorite legendary singers in the entire world, Nicole Scherzinger and Eugene Velasquez. And they do this beautiful version of Nandito Ako.
Explain.
Classic Filipino song. And I mean, no introduction needed. You guys know who.
No show
Nicole
needed.
Energy.
No show needed.
So let's go ahead. This is my
Play it. Play it.
Play it, bitch. This is my version.
Nicole Scherzinger and Regine Velasquez. Let's go.
Norman Desmond.
This is Miss Reg.
Shout out Ogie Alcasi.
That never gets old.
Tagalog. Let's go, Nicole. Tagalog.
That was Norma Desmond and Kailangan Kita. It's one of my favorite. The gays are gonna gag. It's by Pia Toscano.
Oh,
It's a super like belty song. This song it basically translates as "I Need You." It's a super love song. It's like low key in my top 5 favorite Filipino songs of all time. So this is Pia Toscano. Kailangan.
Oh, sax!
Sa piling mo lang nadarama ang tunay na pagsinta. Pag-iakap kita
put on the Beat album.
parang ako nasa langit. Dito
By the way, Pia is an Italian woman singing Filipino. Tagalog. Let's go, Troy. Tagalog. Come on. Here we go. Amazing.
She better work that pronunciation.
She's killing it.
She better work.
She sounds very
Right?
Filipino.
She does. She truly does.
Me too. I was like, she's fluent.
This next song. This next song is called Without You.
Oh!
This song is done by AJ Raphael. For those of you guys that don't know who AJ is, like one of my favorite film artists. This, there's a lot of songs that AJ has done throughout the years that is this beautiful catalog of music. But this song I really love because of when I was like going through what songs that me and AJ should do. There were so many options, juice box, and there's so many. But this song, when I found out what the story was behind it, it was a song about loss, and I think that the beautiful thing about love is that it comes with like the bitterness of it. It comes with that other side of it that makes loving someone that more sweeter when it's there. So this song talks about loss. It talks about something that I'm a very sad artist in general. So this song, the feels for me. So this is my hugot song of the album. I love this song. And originally, this song that AJ did was a very much like a rock ballad, but we decided to do a very demure, just piano version of it to really focus on what like the words really meant. It's an honor to have you, AJ. I love you.
My honor.
This is AJ's beautiful composition, Without You. Play little me.
Yes.
Bucket full of tears, baby, know I'm here waiting.
Let's go, AJ!
Just close your precious eyes. For you to be with me and sit under the street. We can watch the sunrise. We can watch the sunrise. Wake up, feel the air that I'm breathing. Can't explain. Just know that I'm feeling. I won't go another day without you. Another day without you.
Beautiful.
That's AJ Raphael.
AJ Raphael in the house.
Thank you. I recorded that 15 years ago, so to be able to do it again with Troy, visiting it again, but from a place where I'm not a kid anymore. I'm like 20 years old. Doing that.
Different feeling.
Now I'm 36,
Yeah.
singing that same song, and you bringing all the emotions back. It wouldn't have happened that way without you. So it's
I love you, brother. Thank
very
you.
cool. Thank you. It
Aw.
was an honor. It was an honor.
I caught that on camera. That's a moment right
Okay,
there.
3 years old. Then.
Speaking of a moment, watch this. This next song is really special to me, of course, because of JR and Josefina, who's featured on it. But this song was actually my first single off my first album that started this whole Filipino journey. This song is called Pangako. My first single featured Nicole Scherzinger before. Like that was the song that kind of started it all. And the original song is actually a duet, so I wanted to take it back to its roots. So I had none other than the Philippine R&B motherfucking king, JR. And I paired him off with one of my favorite singers from Argentina, actually. Her name is Josefina.
Amazing.
It's a Latina singing this beautiful song. This song is Pangako. It's like a wedding song. It's basically, in the chorus, it basically kind of translates into like vows. I'll love you till the end of time. I'll love you till death do us part. It's a love song. It's basically talking about how love is eternal and I promise never that it's always gonna be me and you. So this is like my kind of like the wedding song of the whole album, featuring JR and
Yes, JR.
Josefina.
Let's freaking go!
Yeah.
Let's freaking go!
the background.
Hey, you better sing.
Say,
Oh God.
what's in your Josefina? Josefina, he knows me.
Yeah.
Thank you, Troy.
Oh yeah.
Okay, this is for my Latinos.
Butter.
This is your Latina queen. Here we go.
What a
Hey,
DJ.
gente, Latino.
Sing in Tagalog. Josefina. Let's go, girl. Okay, harmonies. Troy on the background.
Yeah. Yeah. Keep it live.
Any practice?
Oh shit.
So high.
Oh yeah. This is insane.
Let's go. Ah. Piano solo.
Oh, sing, sing.
Oh my goodness. Yeah!
Love, happy for my pussy, my pussy.
It's true.
This next
I was
song.
crying to this song last night. He was playing it in the car. I was like, play it. It just sounded like you guys were in the room together. And it just kind of just like.
I agree.
Yeah.
It
It
felt romantic. I don't
blended
know.
so perfect.
No, it's the direction though, seriously.
Yeah.
Like the direction Troy was giving. I mean, I couldn't even sing a lot of that, but Troy was giving me these notes and stuff. And
I love
it's
it.
the direction for sure. So
Yeah.
thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you for making me sound good, Troy.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Well, JR, the legend, the one and only.
Absolutely.
Another Filipino American classic. Actually, my Abel is the one that reminded me of this song because he used to listen to this song in high school. He used to watch it on MySpace. And it's called "Try"
Yes,
by none
love
other
this song.
by Melissa.
Hey.
I love this song.
I love you, Queen. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to be able to do this classic with Melissa, and we decided to do again just concentrating on the lyrics and the voice that is Melissa Polinar. I did this beautiful, soulful version. Not that it wasn't ever soulful, but my version of this beautiful song called "Try." This is Melissa Polinar. You better sing, bitch. Woohoo!
There's something about you, the way you move, the way you look at me. There's something about the way you see things, it's like a change of scenery. Everything about you, I just want more.
Yeah.
But don't get any closer. If this lasts a little longer, there's a chance I'll find myself saying there's nothing I can do to keep my heart away from you. I can't help it, I can't tell you what to try to get you off my mind. Tell me no more than just live my life. I can't help it, I can't tell you what to try. 'Cause whenever you're near, there's something in the shell, and I can't tell if I'm living at all. I've been doing well on my own, but maybe it's just me who wants to see that. Everything about me leads right to you.
Oh shit.
Come on. Killing it.
Yes.
Come on.
Oh my
Wow.
What the? Oh God.
Sing, girl.
Yeah. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Mm. Come on.
That was amazing.
Yes.
That
Yes.
was truly amazing.
to me.
That's so good.
Like the moment I start like doing this.
Oh, it's so good.
Melissa.
What an arrangement.
I know. Chords?
Your syncopation is crazy.
Oh,
You're
really?
like, how do you breathe through that? It's so cool.
Yeah,
She's
there's
great.
so many words and you're so breathy.
Yeah.
Yes, right?
Yeah.
Thank you. I'm taking it.
Galing.
Yes.
What a solo. Musicality is so nice. That's Troy. Powerful.
Oh, nice. 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 I love that.
Troy, what's his name again?
John Saga!
John Saga.
I am John Saga.
Oh my
I am John
gosh.
Saga on TikTok.
Oh my goodness.
Where's he at again?
Wow.
I'm gonna skip one song, y'all.
Why?
Hey.
Oh, okay. I'll just play it.
Well, it's almost 9.
Yeah.
Featuring me.
Or me?
It's only I released, the song I'm gonna skip is the song that I did with Morissette.
Oh, and it's already out.
It's already out.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
I'm Huling Il Bimbo. I
Yeah,
did
yeah,
this
yeah, yeah,
Beautiful
yeah.
song. It hit #1. I wanted to include it in this album.
Hey.
It's a rock song that everybody knows, but we'll skip that one. So and then after that song, I will end my album with a song that I did. Oh, God, I'm so nervous. I sang on this song.
Yes, you gotta say.
Yeah, let's go
Very
try.
artistic. It's not. I don't want to follow these guys.
What's that?
These guys over here.
It's your album.
It's by,
Literally.
This song is my favorite. I'm Cebuano. My mom is from this beautiful little island in the center of the Philippines, and this is a song that I used to sing with my grandma all the time. And I wanted it's a song about unrequited love. So it's like a twist. The song, the whole album is called Harana, but it ends with a song that kind of unrequited love. It's kind of I like to end it like that. I like to give
Love
them
that.
a little twist. But
Yeah.
this is me singing. It features two of my best friends musician friends, Justin Klunk on the saxophone and Wei Shen Chang on the violin. And before I play this last song, I just want to say to all of you guys, my friends, thank you guys for coming to this little intimate little gathering. This has been 2 months in the making. I'm so proud of any type of art that I make, and to be able to create it with people that are just so talented and so amazing at what they do. It's such an honor to make it with you guys. I really am so grateful to be able to know you guys and to share this moment. It's actually in New York. It officially releases at 9, so it's about 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Officially released in the world. So I just want to say thank you guys, my friends, for sharing this moment with me. I love you guys. And to my artist friends, thank you for being able to create art that I feel, for me, when I think of music, I think of it as pieces of art. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people just do music to do music, but when I put out music, I think of it as little Picassos that we do, and to be able to share it with the world and with legends like you guys, it truly is an honor. And I just want to say thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for making it sound good.
I'm so fucking nervous to sing after you guys. This is my version of fucking Usahay. And maraming salamat for coming to my show.
Wow.
Walang anuman.
It's me.
Yes, come on.
Let's go, Troy.
Already.
So shy. Galing.
Very good in Houston.
You know, I bitch gotta play the piano a little bit.
Oh,
I knew it. I knew it.
Outro.
Here we go. Love that.
Strings.
I want to hear that live. I want to hear that live right now.
Woo.
You know what fish gotta end to the matter.
It's like a movie.
It's like a
It's a
Disney.
movie. Okay, they might be the way.
My life is flashing.
Underwater.
Right?
There's bubbles forming.
The Little Mermaid, you're Ariel.
Little Mermaid meets Wicked.
Okay. I see it.
Thanks.
Wow! Wow! Galing!
4 minutes.
Congratulations,
Congratulations.
Troy!
You're still the running person coming out.